Well, today we installed a new meter for the hours from my operator. This means it's super easy. $8, $9 for Amazon. Today shipping and it's super fast. And the only you need to do is take the 3 screws we got right here. Yep. Clamp it out. Coming out easy. He coming with the cable right here. So you can see it. You wrap it around to the spark plug cable. Couple around, like maybe 4. Strap it out. We got right here. You don't need to put screws or nothing. Just you open right here. That's the plug. For put the key on. For take the spark plug, you put the cable around there. You put it right there. You put some kind of Velcro just to get it in place. You see? Some Velcro there. It's easy to put it in, put it out, so you need to take it out. Man, no holes required. Put it back the cover for the spark plug. Man, voila, there you got it. So maybe take a few minutes to put it in. Maybe the hard part is put the cables around there. Probably that's the hard one. And that's it, my friends. Open and running. So now we check it out. Timer is running, blinking.